Oh look, a group of zombies. But oh wait, I think they have spotted us. Don't worry, I know exactly how to handle these kinds of situations. Quickly go to Google 3D Warehouse, download a missile, and boom! Problem solved. But warning to user, a burning zombie is more dangerous than a regular zombie. But I'm often asked, how did you align your jet particle with your missile? Missile, jet particle. And how did you change the width and height of your explosion? Ooh, big explosion. All these questions will be answered in Zombie Barbecue Party Part 1. First, let's look at direction. Direction has two parts, longitude and latitude. Let's take a look at latitude first. Notice at 90, the particle is straight up, but as I move it down to negative 90, the particle now is pointing straight down. And if we set it back to 0, it becomes horizontal with the prop. Now let's move around with longitude. Watch as I increase the longitude, the particle moves around the prop. Actually, it's better if I take a look at it from the top. So let's move over, stop this real quick, start it again, and let's look at it from the top. Oh wait, something's in my way. Yep, get out of the way. Get out of the way! Alright, here we go. So, here we go. Watch as I change the longitude to back down, it moves around the prop. So with any combination of longitude and latitude, you can have any direction for your particle. Now let's take a look at something else. Now let us take a look at how emit volume can change the look of our particle. Alright, notice how my particle is emitting from my box, but the emit volume is 0, 0, 0. Now watch what happens when I change the X value for the emit volume to 61. Notice that the actual base from which the particle is emitted from changes, but not the actual number of particles. Now I change Y to 200. You can see that there's not more particles, it's just that the base along the Y-axis has increased to 200. Now we can do the same with Z, change that to 100, but actually you really can't see it. So let me move up, take a look. Actually, I think it'll be better if I change it to 0 and you can see. Notice how when I change it back to 0, that it stops here as opposed to going along the Z-axis like it was before. Alright, so let's take a look at something else. Let's first link the particle to ball, and I want to show you something about position. But let me find my ball. Alright, there's my ball. Okay, so let's take a look at position, which is down underneath, where is it? Under emit volume. Here we go. Alright, so you can change any position for your particle. You can use positive numbers or negative numbers. And we can move it up or down, or we can move it around with this here. But one thing to note is that the particle moves its position, but it's always relative to where it is linked on the prop. So if you change the link back to, say, the box, the position doesn't change, just the position relative to the prop that it was linked to. Alright, so that's how position can be used to improve upon your particles. With all that knowledge, you now can link and align your jet particle to your missile or any particle to anything. But just in case, here's how I did it in a nutshell.
Zach's how to ... in a nutshell.
Thank you for watching
Zach's how to ... in a nutshell.